This is a brief video on the scholarship process for a school board operated program. It's provided by the Before and After School Child Care Department of Broward County Public Schools. Before you begin, your child or student must be approved to receive free or reduced meals for the 2020-2021 school year. If not, then go to www.myschoolapps.com/home/pick district and then select Broward County. If you have already received an approval for free or reduced meals in the form of a letter or email, please save them as a PDF on your computer for future use. You will need to have the 10-digit student number for your child, your email address, one that you monitor frequently, that the student, your child, is enrolled and attending an aftercare program, and that you have paid for the child care. If yes, you're ready to get started with your papers. Well, what documents will you need to apply? First, verification of employment or attending school in person. See the Word document on the website that goes into great detail. This is for all persons 18 years or older that live in the household. You will also need your tax return, IRS Form 1040, pages 1 and 2. This will show that your child is your dependent, along with proof that the tax return was received and accepted by the IRS. Evidence would be Form 8879, which is the e-file signature authorization. Again, if you need more information on what's acceptable to submit, please go to the website and look at the Word document provided. How are you going to apply? Go to www.BASCCBROWARD.com, www.BASCBroward.com. Select on the menu all the way to the left, Scholarship Application Process. Once you have done that, the web page will open on the scholarship application process along with tips and more information. Once again, you can see the Word document that shows what you will need and what is acceptable. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the web page, you may select Apply for Scholarships. To start, you will need the school location number. Well, where do you get that number? The school can provide it for you, or right here where it says here, you can click to find the number. When the page opens, it says, "Who's the provider at my school?" You actually do not need to know the provider, just the school. So select your child's school, which is in alpha order on the drop-down. Once you selected, it will pop up. For demonstration purposes, the first program to pop up that's a school board operated program is Banyan Elementary. It's the first one on the list. As you can see, the location number is 2001. This is only for Banyan. Now you're ready to apply. Select Apply for Scholarship. But just remember, you have to have access to the files on your computer so that way you can add them to the documents. Now it's time to select Apply for Scholarship. When this window opens, this is where you're putting the 4-digit code from the school drop-down. Parent or guardian, it's now time to start. To begin, if you have not created a scholarship application this school year, you are going to select New Application for 2021. Once you start the application, you'll receive a confirmation in your email, which will have the application number, and your email address. If you need to come back and add additional documents because you don't have access to them when you started, then you're going to select Update and complete the one that you started. If you try and start a new application, all student numbers are unique, which means you cannot start another new application. If this is the case, please contact the Before and After School Child Care Department at 754-321-3330. We'll be happy to delete all previous attempts. That way you can start a new application. If you have any questions, please review that on the main page of the Before and After School Child Care Department Scholarship website, going to www.bascbroward.com, or you can always call the department at 754-321-3330.